The 2026 Ram 1500 Rebel represents a significant evolution in the lineup of Ram's off-road-oriented trucks, incorporating a blend of power, innovation, and design sophistication. A major highlight is its powertrain upgrade, with the traditional V8 replaced by a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine, the SST straight-six turbo. This engine comes in two versions, a standard output of 420 horsepower and 469 lb-ft of torque, and a high-output model producing 540 horsepower and 521 lb-ft. This transition not only provides an impressive boost in performance but also enhances efficiency and smoothness, marking a shift towards modern engineering while maintaining its rugged capability. From a design perspective, the 2026 Rebel masterfully balances ruggedness with contemporary aesthetics. The exterior receives aerodynamic enhancements, including sculpted body lines and a bolder grille, alongside advanced LED lighting elements. These changes lend the truck a commanding presence on and off the road. The refinement of the design does not compromise its off-road readiness, as features such as all-terrain tires, skid plates, and enhanced ground clearance remain intact, ensuring the Rebel is as competent in rugged terrains as it is stylish in urban settings. Inside, the Ram 1500 Rebel emphasizes comfort and advanced technology, creating a space tailored for both work and leisure. The cabin boasts high-quality materials, ergonomically designed seating, and ample room for passengers. Advanced driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control and automated emergency braking, ensure a secure driving experience, while the intuitive infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. The Rebel embodies a harmonious fusion of power, innovation, and luxury, making it a compelling choice for enthusiasts seeking an off-road vehicle that excels in both performance and refinement.